Now this is where your child's tool comes in handy. And we'll just kind of roll this out. Now we want to roll it out a bit, but we also want to keep it nice and thick. And about like that. If you roll it out too much, all you have to do is kind of scrunch it up. This is where you take the tool, you need to press down firmly and cut. Remove that right next to it and cut. I'll probably get 2 bigger ones and 1 smaller one. Pull that apart. See where it kind of didn't get a super clean cut here? All you have to do is take your hands and just kind of pinch that kind of frayed edge in, because you don't want that on there. See how easy that is to get rid of that? Okay, so the next step, this one we'll make two French fries out of that. We'll make a real long one out of this one. And this one we'll make a real short one. That's about the same size as that. That's okay. Now we use the back of the paintbrush here. And what you want to do, wherever it goes in, take the brush and just push down. And voila. Now what I like to do is kind of dry these different angles, so French fries are not always flat, completely flat. See how I've dried this? And so when I put it on the plate, I can get like different, I can kind of stack them up a little bit. And these were made last night, so you can see that they're already firm enough, nice and dried. So those are ready to be airbrushed. If you don't have a cutter like this, it doesn't have to be exactly like that one. Anything that kind of has those little ruffle ridges, whatever you want to call those. Reminds me of a clown collar when you look at it this way. If you don't have that, don't worry about it. You could just make one pretty much with the back of the paintbrush like I just showed you. Let me go ahead and roll one out. Okay, so what I would want to do is just cut this in strips. And then go ahead and take the brush and put it on its side and just go in. And then on the front. And then flip it over. And then I'd probably do it on the front again. You just have to play with it a little bit more, but see? Okay. Slightly different, but still will get the same thing done. Or you can just, make shoestring fries and just cut strips out.